My advisor, Dr. Saba, and I were recently going through a lab space that we inherited, and we came across a lot of old stuff left behind by the previous research group. One of the things that stood out to us in all this stuff were these lab coats, these bright pink lab coats like the one that I'm wearing right now. I think it's a very fashionable choice. I love the color pink. I think it looks great on me. I can't blame anyone for getting pink lab coats. But it turns out that there is a more practical reason for these lab coats being the color that they are. You see, that previous research group was investigating microplastic contamination of the environment. And so they chose this very bright pink distinctive color for their lab coats. That way they knew that if they found that color within their samples, they knew that the contamination came from their own lab coats rather than from the environment. Sometimes science can be stylish.